student. So in this video we will learn algorithm for change operation in stack. Okay, so what is change operation? So consider this is a stack and containing size of n4, and in this element consider element field like this. Let me take for example 10, 20, 30 and 40. So if I want to change element 20, okay, and want to give new value as 50, okay, so if I want to exchange I want to insert value 50 in place of 20, then this algorithm will be helpful to exchange the or change the element at a specific space. Okay, so for that let me initialize some variable. So that is top by default pointing to -1, okay, and change function, okay, in that s indicate stack, and second one is top, and x that is 50, that element I want to insert at a position 20, or you can say pointing when your index is 1, top pointing to index 1. So what is step 1? So in step 1 we need to check for underflow. So your stack does not contain any element, or your stack is empty, then we cannot perform change operation. Okay, so for that we need to check for underflow. So that's why I am giving a new element. Okay, so as in our stack this much of element is filled, so if I want to access 40, then I will give value of I will be 0, for this it will be 1, and like this. Okay, so here I will check for underflow. So check for underflow. So in this case, if condition I will check by mistake, if I give position 4, that element I want to change. Okay, so that will be checked by top minus I plus 1 less than or equal to 0, then write stack underflow. So we cannot perform a change operation. So stack underflow and exit from the algorithm. So how this condition will work? So value of top, at presently it is pointing to 3, so that is 3 minus I. So I am going to access this element at position 4 by mistake, and plus 1 less than is equal to 0. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 0, less than or equal to 0. Okay, so this condition is true, and it will display stack underflow, so we cannot perform change operation. So if this condition is not true, okay, this step we also done in the previous algorithm, that is a peep operation in stack. So this is the same condition. Okay, so if your stack is not underflow, we can go for exchange the element. So change element at ith position. Okay, so in this case I want to exchange this element, so that is 20. So for that I will enter new element 50. So 50 will be stored into the x, so x is equal to 50. So here x is equal to 50, and where I will insert, so this is also we discussed in the previous video, that is top minus I. Okay, so how this will work? So top is pointing to the at present 3, so top is 3 minus value of I, so value of I will be 0, 1 and 2. So 20 is pointing to the ith element from top, that is 2. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So s of 1 will be inserted position 50 in this position, so it is indexed value by 1. So s of 1 20 indicating it will enter new value. So this is 20 and value x is considering 50. So this value will be changed in the stack. So our task is completed. So now algorithm is also need to be complete. So last finished and exit from the algorithm. Okay, so thank you.